Money myths. Don't be fooled. We've all heard them. Those sneaky money myths that sound true, but can lead you astray. They often come from well-meaning friends or outdated advice. Like a wolf in sheep's clothing, these myths can trick you into making poor financial choices. They disguise themselves as helpful tips, but can lead to financial pitfalls. But don't worry, we're here to expose the truth and set you on the path to financial freedom. Knowledge is power, and we're here to empower you. Get ready to ditch those myths and take control of your money. It's time to clear the fog and see things as they really are. It's time to stop believing everything you hear and start thinking for yourself. Critical thinking is your best tool in navigating financial advice. We'll tackle common misconceptions about debt, investing, and budgeting. These are areas where myths often thrive and mislead. By the end of this journey, you'll be armed with the knowledge to make smart choices with your hard-earned cash. Confidence in your financial decisions is key. Are you ready to bust some myths? Let's dive in and uncover the truth together. Mythbusters. Busting common money myths. Today we're diving into some of the most common misconceptions about money and investments. One pervasive myth is that you need to be rich to start investing. This simply isn't true. Don't fall for it. Even small amounts, invested consistently, can grow over time thanks to the power of compound interest. This means your money can work for you, even if you start small. It's like a snowball rolling downhill, gaining momentum as it goes. The more it rolls, the bigger it gets. Another myth claims that debt is a necessary evil. This is a dangerous misconception. While some debt, like a mortgage, can be managed responsibly, relying on credit cards and loans can quickly spiral out of control. High interest rates can make it difficult to pay off. It's like digging a hole you can't escape. The deeper you go, the harder it is to climb out. Instead, focus on living within your means and saving for big purchases. This approach can lead to financial stability and peace of mind. The real deal. Practical tips for your money. So how can you develop healthier financial habits? It all starts with understanding your current financial situation and setting realistic goals. Start by creating a budget. It doesn't have to be complicated. Simply track your income and expenses to see where your money is going. Think of it like a roadmap for your finances, guiding you towards better financial decisions. Next, make saving a priority. Even small amounts add up over time. Consider setting up automatic transfers to your savings account. It's like paying yourself first. This ensures you save consistently without even thinking about it. Remember, building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. Be patient, stay consistent, and you'll be amazed at the progress you make. Celebrate small milestones along the way to stay motivated and keep your financial journey on track. Don't be shy. Ask for help. Don't be afraid to seek help if you're feeling lost or overwhelmed. I'm always here for you. There are many resources available, from financial advisors to online tools. Think of it like asking for directions when you're lost. A little guidance can go a long way. Remember, you're not alone in this journey. Many people struggle with managing their finances. The key is to be proactive, educate yourself, and seek support when needed. Taking control of your finances is within your reach. Take charge. Your journey to financial freedom. Congratulations. You've taken the first step towards financial freedom by debunking common money myths. Now it's time to put your knowledge into action. Start by reviewing your finances and identifying areas where you can make positive changes. Remember, financial freedom is a journey, not a destination. There will be bumps along the way, but with determination and the right tools, you can achieve your financial goals. So, take charge of your money and start building the future you deserve.